Today I'm taking on a challenge by myself. I really want to make cheese and spinach ravioli just because I love ravioli, and I want to make everything from scratch. I want to make the fresh pasta, the fresh sauce. Let's get on with it. To make the fresh pasta you'll need eggs and flour. That's it. Pour the flour onto a countertop. And make a hole in the middle. Then place your eggs. It's about to get messy. Oh my god. Disaster. I need maybe more flour. Could you measure another 100? Put it slowly. Okay, we're back on track. Mix it all together until you make a ball and put it in a bowl to rest for 30 minutes. I don't know why that was going to be so much easier, but I kind of panicked. But it's okay. We're getting there. So while you wait for 30 minutes for the dough to do its thing, I want to introduce you to today's sponsor, Guyssss. Ta-da-da! Here's the new box. This time we have the Kanto New Year. Guyssss makes a perfect and memorable gift for anyone who appreciates Japanese snacks and culture, especially during a time where people aren't allowed to travel as easily, but also gifting them a chance to win free tickets to Japan because Guyssss is doing a giveaway. They will pick one lucky winner to get 2 free tickets to anyone who subscribes before December 31st. So check my link in the description with any other terms and conditions. This is so good. Even before you eat it, you can smell the Layu chili oil. So thank you Guyssss for sponsoring this video. Let's get back into cooking. So for the filling, I want to use spinach, and also I actually wanted to use ricotta, but I could not find any ricotta cheese in my local supermarkets. To be honest, cheese selection in Japan is very, very limited, which is something that makes me very sad because I am a huge cheese fanatic. And so for today, I have, instead of using the ricotta cheese, I'm going to use cottage cheese. I think it's going well. I had a little moment. It's going well. Spinach. Okay, so my dough has been doing its thing for about 30-40 minutes now. So I guess it's time to take it out. Okay, let's see it. first things first is that I need to divide this because a pasta roller. No, I don't have that. Should I have that again? I have my wine, which I did not take away the label, but it's okay. And here it goes with it then. Are we having ravioli tonight? So you want to roll out the pasta as thinly as you can. Flip it over and keep rolling. Ideally, a pasta machine makes your life 1,000 times easier. I don't own one yet, and it was my first time making pasta alone at home. Also, let me tell you something. This was the most therapeutic thing that I've done in a while. It kept me busy for hours in the kitchen, and I really enjoyed it. I just put on a podcast, really enjoyed some quality time alone. So I'm cutting the ends to have smoother edges, and then I divided it roughly around 7 to 8. It really depends on your dough, depends how big you want to make them. I wanted to make them quite large. And then you put your filling on one side. And you fold it over and you press it together quite tightly. Make sure there's no air bubbles. I put a little bit of water in between just to kind of stick them together. The best thing about cooking and baking is allowing yourself to slow down and be present. So take your time to make these things and allow yourself to make mistakes. And if you want, you can use the fork to kind of make these little decorative edges. I don't know. I have a whole half dough left, and this first half made me these 8 large ones. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make all of it off camera, and later on when I'm ready to make this, I will talk to you guys then. Okay, so this is the taste test. That is so gorgeous on the inside. Itadakimasu. Oh, well, that is pretty scrumptious. For someone who doesn't have the correct equipment for ravioli or even pasta making, it's not bad. I would say if I definitely had the pasta maker, not bad. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making this. I'm so glad I did this. Let me know if you guys ever made pasta, or if you want to make any pasta. I do want to try other types of pasta. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!